Welcome to the Pay It Forward program. We've built this program on one simple principle. Each one helps one. If you've ever seen our intro video or if you watch the news, you know most Americans aren't doing as well as they should. We all want to live the American dream, and to do that, of course, you need money. But with most of the wealth in the hands of the top 1% of the population, there just isn't enough to go around, right? Well, the reality is that there's over $60 trillion in untapped wealth all within a short click away. Most people do not realize that their credit is a source of renewable capital every single year. What's worse is most lack the knowledge, experience, and most importantly, the money to set things into motion to realize this cash. And this is where you come in. When you go through the program, the cash you generate helps the next person underneath you to realize the same goal, and for every person you help, the company makes money. The company, in turn, pays you for the use of your credit, so you make money while helping others like yourself to reach their dreams and goals. Doesn't that feel good? It's a win-win for everyone. So just how big is this opportunity? Well, let's look at the credit landscape in America. As you know, there are millions of Americans that have bad credit. These are people that are online for our services but lack the necessary cash to come into the program. Only a small sliver of people have absolutely terrible credit scores, but plain old bad credit, that's a lot more common. Nearly a third of Americans have a credit score lower than 601. That's over 68 million individuals. I repeat, there are 68 million individuals waiting for our program. Figures from Credit Bureau TransUnion also say that 30% have subprime credit. The good news is credit can be improved. We have the law on our side. FDCPA rules allow us to lift 68 million people into the cash category with their credit. As you go through the program, by just simply helping others to succeed like yourself, the company makes money and is in a position to help even more people, and this cycle of reciprocity continues. Helping just 1% of Americans with bad credit will add an additional $136 billion to the economy, and for those in our Pay It Forward program, they will make an additional $6.8 billion. Has a plan to give back the American dream and restore the values our country was founded on. By giving you the foundation and platform to help others live their dreams, you can secure your own dream, and so it goes. Pay it forward so you can move forward too.